it is, what's poppin', what's good, what's happening? Hope you guys having a blessed, good day. Got a quick unboxing for you guys. I just wanted to do a quick video on it. I've done a series of videos on my Dodge Challenger with the exhaust system that I've done. You guys will go back and look into the auto playlist where you guys can see all the stuff that I've done from beginning to end. Currently my setup is high flow cats, Flowmaster 44s. I think it's 44s or 40. I think it's 44. Don't quote me on that. X-pipe, well, X-pipe before the Flowmasters, and from there, from the Flowmasters all the way out to the tips. I have 3.5 inch dual exhaust tips, and I think the piping for everything is 2.5. I didn't go any bigger. This is at 3.6, so I don't want to not create enough back pressure towards the engines because I don't want to lose top end torque. So I left the piping as is. The issue that I'm dealing with right now is the droning. At a certain RPM, I would say about 2500. It's not horrible. You put your music up, it doesn't bother you. You can barely hear it. But if you just want to cruise and just, you know what I mean, just listen to the wind, just listen to road noise, I mean, you're on the highway or back roads, much more on the back roads, that drone gets annoying after a while. My main issue was I didn't want to put a resonator because I didn't want to change the note because the car sounds really good. You can look at some of the clips from the other videos that I posted in my playlist. It sounds really good. Start up, cold start, etc., etc. You know, revving, all that is good. It's not obnoxious, but it's loud. It sounds really good for a V6. Really good for a V6, right? But I didn't want to add the resonator so it to quiet it down. So I was like, all right, let me just try to get as much flow as possible. At one point, I cut out the cats completely and just put pipe in there, and it was just way too loud, very ricey, tingy. It was obnoxious. It didn't sound good at all. So I put the high flows in there, perfect, versus the stock cats. So I went online to try to research, you know what I mean, resonators out there that help with drone noise. I've even seen people have done some stuff where they do some type of calculation and put in like a J pipe at a certain point of the piping underneath the car to kind of match the frequency, and it kind of helps with the droning. I didn't want to do all that, so I'm like, they have to be able to create something out there, a resonator that helps with droning. You know what I mean? Drone, whatever. Even though it doesn't cut it out completely, which I understand it probably most likely won't, unless you have a stock system, but at least it cuts it down halfway or something like that. So I search. I love the Flowmaster systems. Majority of what I have on the car right now is all Flowmaster and also MagnaFlow, except for the tips. So I went on their website to kind of see what they have. Come to find out, they have a 2.5 inch in and out resonator that specifically deals and helps out with drone. That's what we have here right now. I got it off of eBay for a decent price. I think I got for $150 each, so about $300. It's a little pricey, but I think for the long run, for a car that I plan on keeping, and maybe supercharging it or even turbo, I'm not getting rid of Xena at all. That's her name, Xena. So I went online and trying to find a solution, even though if it takes down on the sound, how loud it is, how beefy, how deep it is, I think I'm willing to deal with that just because of the droning. This is my daily, not as my daily as much as it used to be, because I have a Acura TLX and I'm about to, within end of this year, beginning of next year, I'm buying a Jeep Wrangler. So it won't be my daily, but still, I want to be able to enjoy the ride, especially here in the Carolinas. when I'm driving on the back roads. I can have my window down, no music, and just enjoy nature. So this is what we have here. I'm about to do a quick unboxing. This video is most likely going to be in pieces. It's probably going to take maybe a couple weeks, probably a couple months for me to do. I'm not in a rush to get this done. So I'll do the quick unboxing, get it installed, and then show you guys a sound clip afterwards. I will also include a sound clip of what it is currently in the video, so you can kind of hear that and you guys can see what's best for you guys. So let's jump into the unboxing. What it is, what's good, what's poppin'? As you can see, we are back from the muffler shop. We have gotten the mufflers installed. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think the guys did a pretty good job? I will be giving you guys a quick update on what the sound looks like. It looks like when I was trying to do the unboxing, I made a mistake and not record the video. Rookie mistake. Sorry about that. I'm gonna see if I have any pictures of the actual mufflers before I put them in, but it's your very self-explanatory same type of Flowmaster muffler. All right, as you could see here, what I did was had them enter in some more of my muffler tips and making this part of it flush. These mufflers are concave, well not concave, but they are staggered, if you will, as you can see right there. So kind of give it a better look. Before it was kind of sticking out too much, wasn't really feeling them that way. This way it looks a little bit more stock. I will be giving you guys a sound clip of before and after, and let me know what you guys think. But back to the upgrade and update of the mufflers. As you can see, the muffler right there, the guys did a pretty good job soldering it together. Before, this was strictly a straight pipe.